Namaste and welcome back to Meals and Moves. I'm Shweta. In today's session, we will learn a very interesting backbend posture. In Sanskrit, it is known as Dhanur-Asana, where Dhanur means bow and Asana is pose. That's why it is also commonly known as bow pose, because in the end, you look like a bow. Now, there are many benefits of Dhanur-Asana. It helps you lose weight, improves your digestion, cures constipation, makes your spine really strong and flexible, improves your posture, and it also cures asthma, any sort of menstrual disorder, and gives you relief from lower back pain. So now you know why you should practice Dhanur-Asana. Now, a couple of disclaimers before we go ahead. If you are pregnant, have high or low blood pressure, hernia, or any sort of injury or surgery, please avoid practicing Dhanur-Asana. Now let's grab our yoga mat and do some yoga. But hey, before we begin, please subscribe to my channel, Meals and Moves. For Dhanur-Asana, lie down on your belly. Your chin is resting on the mat gently. Now bend your knees and grab the outer part of your ankle with your hands. Now in this asana, one thing you need to remember is that your hands will remain straight all the time. Your elbows won't bend. Now with inhalation, roll your shoulders and lift your chin, your chest and your legs off the mat. Try and arch your back as much as you can. Open up your chest, you're looking straight. Try and bring your heels close to your shoulders. Enjoy the stretch and hold this asana for as long as you can. To come out of the asana, while exhaling, slowly bring your legs, your chest and your chin on the mat. Straighten your legs and relax. So this is it, guys. Hope you will practice Dhanur-Asana. If you have any questions or if you want to learn any new asana, please let me know in the comment section. Namaste and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.